Good evening, folks. Bitcoin absolutely ripping today, and it feels so good to be able to say that again. We're up just north at the time of recording of $106,000. That puts us up more than 6% from the dead lows that we put in just a couple of days ago, which means, first of all, if you had the guts to buy into extreme fear, if you had the guts to be greedy when others were fearful and buy the dismal lows over the last few days, you would be up 6% per Bitcoin right now. Who do you have to thank for this 6% pump in the markets? It is, of course, none other than Mr. Donald Trump, who has promised once again stimulus checks of $2,000 per person to American citizens, and he's actually calling this a tariff dividend. So this was announced on Truth Social earlier today, and I think there's two key things that we need to pay attention to here. First of all is about $260 million worth of short liquidations on the news. So nothing enormous compared to what we saw at the beginning of October with that massive $19 billion long side liquidation event. But notice how most of the market tends to be wrong in these situations, okay? This is what I've been talking about over the last few days. Most of the market is still, even right now, short. And when prices start to go against those positions, they become liquidated. When a short position is liquidated, that means that the exchange literally goes and buys Bitcoin in order to cover those short positions and get those traders out of those positions. That means sudden increase in demand, and when demand goes up, prices go up too. It's basic supply and demand. The second thing I'd say is this is a good example of efficient markets. So efficient markets basically say that information in a market flows efficiently. So because of the internet, basically, there's no way you're going to hear about public information when it's released before most of the market is going to hear about public information. So it's very hard to trade news events like this. And we can see, looking at the liquidation risk in the market on the daily time frame, that once again the market has flipped long on this news, and they probably flipped long too late. And I really wouldn't be surprised if we see a little relief pullback from this move. So don't be shocked if that happens, right? We don't have meat on the bones in terms of when this check's landing, exactly who it's going to be paid to, when it's going to be paid, if it is actually going to be paid out. People are buying the first little hint that this is going to happen. But if it does happen, obviously that's good for markets, right? That is an injection of liquidity, but it's not coming from the Fed. It's not coming from monetary policy. It's coming straight from the top, apparently. If you weren't in the markets or you weren't around at the time, stimulus checks mean that everyone has got some spare money in their pocket, right? $2,000 in this case. And what do they do with that money? They start throwing it at watches and risk assets, or at least that's what happened last time. So every American gets $2,000, and a good majority of them go and throw it at crypto. And that is why that is bullish for the crypto markets in a nutshell. So we're yet to see flesh on this, right? I wouldn't be surprised if we saw this story kind of blowing up and being scrutinized and more information coming out about that very soon. But for now, at least, market's up 6%, and things are looking much brighter. The S&P's up as well. Of course, stocks are a risk asset too, equities as they're properly called. But that's my take on this. Yes, bullish if it happens. Bullish when? I don't know exactly. And I really wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little relief pullback from that. So don't be shocked about it. Don't be scared about it. I don't think this is it. I don't think we're out of the woods. I don't think we're there yet. But obviously a bright day to be a crypto investor, particularly if you had the guts to buy into extreme fear. Stay safe out there. As always, not financial advice, purely my opinion, purely shared for entertainment purposes. But thank you so much for watching. Plenty more to come. Catch you in the next one. Bye.